Hey everybody, this is James Reed with Big Reed Sneaker and More. This is my daughter Kira. She wanted to be in a little sneaker unboxing with me. Say hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Kira.
Kira.
Reed.
Tell them, don't tell me.
You know my name.
They don't.
Okay, my name's Kira.
You're still not looking at them.
I am.
Okay, I'm sorry. Alright, well, we're going to get into this sneaker unboxing. I won a raffle through Bait. It's the Diadora Kung Fu Panda Dreamworks edition. There's the box, all Kung Fu Panda for you. I got a size 13. Really neat packaging. Bait really killed it with this. Some extra laces, some white laces with black lace tips. That Diadora Bait Dreamworks Kung Fu Panda packaging. Get into the shoes. It's probably hard to tell in the video, but the material is actual, I don't know what you call it, fur I guess. It's like panda fur.
Yeah.
But they're the N8000, super comfortable shoe. I'll get into an on-foot video next. Kind of give you a all over of the shoe. Cool insole, I don't know how well you can see. It's a real cool insole. They really killed it with this. Getting out the other shoe for you, give me a second.
And that wrapping paper is actually really cool.
Yeah, that paper is really cool, isn't it, Kira? It's got some more just Panda branding. Same thing on those insoles. Seems like it's going to be a really comfortable shoe. I'm going to get back with you with an on foot. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. Bye.